Hello. Testing, testing. I guess we're live. Anyways, I just wanted to, I put the thing at the corner, little turtle there. Anyways, I gotta see if I get rid of that. Anyways, we had a very, we had like a break-even day because yesterday, yesterday it popped up too much, so I ended up losing like 1,000 or so. But we're still up for the year. Anyways, but what I did is I made a play here, and what I did is TradingView is a pretty cool software where you can create channels, and then when it breaks out of the channel or it breaks out of a trend line, you can get an alert. So, and I have the alert on my computer to actually make a weird sound when it breaks the channel or breaks the trend or breaks a price level. Different ways you can look at it. But as you can see, it kept going down. It went up 2 hours and then went down. Let's see. From 6:30 to 8:30, it went up, and then from 8:30 to close, it went down. And then as soon as it closed, the Nasdaq is just staying flat a little bit, but it's bottoming out right here. Right now, this is the live price. Let's see. You can see the timestamp. The timestamp on the. Oh yeah, there it is. 4:36 p.m. and there's a 4:36 or 16:40. I can do the 1 minute. Here's the 1 minute. See the 1 minute candle. See it's 16:37 right now, and it's 16:37 right there. It's live data, man, live data. Anyways, this is one. I'm kind of I'm sort of like selling credit spreads when it peaks out, and then I sell credit spreads to where it will not go past a certain level, like a certain resistance point, or sometimes if it drops below a support line, pops back up, then goes up and hits the resistance point a few times. But I've been doing credit spreads on Nasdaq mostly. I did a little lotto plays on SPY, and made $400 or $500 on that, but that was just quick scalps, like within 5 to 10 minutes in, and getting out real quick. Even maybe 2 minutes to 3 minutes when you see these massive drops here. You see these massive drops here. And obviously, actually, I'll have a trend line right here, right? And then if it stays on the other side of the trend line, I keep letting it ride. But I never did this. I never did this bet. I still have plays that are at 11,500. I have plays that are credit spreads that are at the 11,500 level. So right now my plays we're really safe so far, anyways. And then we still have the rolling plays on. We still have the rolling plays on the small account here. Oh shoot. Yeah, I wanted to get this OBS tweaked out because I want to optimize it, and then I can actually show everything, what I'm doing, how I think, and then show my P&L. Where's trying to get? Let me pull up Robinhood. I think it says we had a loss today, but we're still safe. We have rolling bets, so it doesn't matter. So you want the SPY to stay below. See, I think we lost. What did we lose today? $36. But if we look at our bet, we want Tesla to stay below 125. And we can see Tesla took a dump as the market was going dump, right? 25. Yeah, this is today. It went all the way up to 21. I think it went up to 23. Then it's failing. So as long as it stays below 125, we're safe. We're going to probably get I think I collected a. What did we collect here? I think we collected $100. Let's see. Here's a call credit spread on Tesla. We collected $86 on it. So And right now, it says we're losing 32, but it still needs to go. It still needs to stay below 125, and we'll be collecting. Actually, this was up pretty hefty Friday, but I think by tomorrow they'll probably start dumping, or even though we still have until the 13th, so I think it's the Friday, yeah. But as soon as this hits a profit, I might hit it, because it was hitting a profit last week, but I'm still letting it ride because I think it's not going to go above 125. And then we have a SPY play, SPY index is not going to go above 393, and we collected $115 credit. So if this SPY stays below 393, by Thursday we'll be collecting that full $90. I didn't see $115. Yeah, that's if we just let it expire. But most of the time I just cash out when we're up like 80-90% of the potential profit. So as you see, we lost this week. Let's see, we lost. Oh, this week we're up 142, but today we're down 35. So that's pretty good. But I think this will be jumping up to because this is a margin account. It's below 25,000, so I can only do 3 trades in a 5-day period. So I'm already maxed out on my day trades. So I'm just letting them. Most of all of my plays are rolling over plays or swing trades. It's called. Meaning you make a play one day and you finish it the other day, or it could be one day, a week later, 2 days later, 10 days later. It doesn't matter. But my trades usually last with probably a week to 2 weeks, depending on how much money I put up on the actual trade. So, but this was an awesome play today. Awesome play. Yeah, I was looking at this most of the day. I didn't do anything when on the upside, and I didn't make any bets. I just was waiting for this to come down again, and that's it. And you can probably do the trend lines up here. These are the massive 1 hour, 2 hour trend lines here. But you see this massive drop here. Yeah, so I think it may hit some resistance here or some support here. Probably within 10 to 20 points of support here. So, yeah. Or it might make one of these big plays when the announcements from the government about the jobs data and all that. It might make another dump like this. So I think there will be another dump like this. And as we see, when the stock market goes down, what I do is I place some bets like 300 to 500 point cushions way up here. And I always look at like support levels and resistance levels. So like say ideally I would probably make another play like 11. Let's do 1 hour here. Yeah, I probably do I already have 500 and I have 600. No, I might do a 600 or 6 or 700. I'd sell something up here. So my bet is saying that it won't go back up to here, and I'd be collecting the credit. And if it gets closer and closer, you lose value, and then you go into red. But as long as it stays below your value by expiration, you collect the full credit that you receive. So it's pretty cool. Anyways, that's a test. How long has this been? 9 minutes. All right. I just want to see how it works, how it sounds. All right. Ciao. Bye.